So why grow vertical? One, a lot of people have a lack of space. Two, a lot of people don't have a yard, or they don't want to use their whole yard up for a garden. What about time? You know, gardening takes a lot of time when you're doing it flat in your yard. And then you might have pests. You might have squirrels, rabbits, dogs that get in your garden, that eat your produce, diminish your productivity. And then if you've got a garden, you've got to dig. There's no digging in a vertical garden. And what about harvesting? Instead of harvesting on the ground, crawling around, you can harvest standing up and tend your leafy greens and herbs standing up. And then there's the cost factor. It's really cost effective to buy one of these Varden kits and assemble it and get going, and you can grow up to 36 plants in a very small 2 feet wide by 3 feet tall space. If you really like it and you're good at it and you have more space, you can buy another kit and they butt right up to one another and you can make a bigger Varden. Now what you need to do is you need to buy one of our Varden kits off the website here, and then you can get growing vertically and then get back with us, send us pictures, send us your Varden story.